Dear students, welcome back to the Math Fest video series. In this video, we will learn Math Fest question 2. Finding distance between 2 points. If D is the distance between 2 points, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the distance between 2 points is given by D equals, that is difference of x coordinate, square of distance of x coordinate, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, plus in the same way y2 minus y1 whole square. D equals x2 minus x1 whole square. In between you need to add, that is D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between 2 points is given by D equals x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This we call as distance formula. The distance between 2 points is found out by using distance formula, which is an important 2-mark question. Now we shall solve few examples. Given 2 points, we need to find out the distance between these 2 points. That is 1, 2 I'll take as x1, y1. Then the next point 4, 7 I'll take as x2, y2. x1 is 1, y1 is 2, x2 is 4, y2 is 7. Now the distance formula D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2. Now what is the value of x2? That is 4. 4 minus x1 is 1. That is 4 minus 1 whole square plus what is y2? 7. y1 is 2. 7 minus 2 whole square. D equals square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square. What is 4 minus 1? That is 3 square plus 7 minus 2 is 5 square. So D equals square root of 3 square plus 5 square. D equals, now 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 5 square is 5 into 5 is 25. Now 9 plus 25 is 34. D equals square root of 34 is the distance between these two given points. D equals square root of 34 units. Now moving to second question, finding distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. I'll write down as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now the distance formula D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, D equals what is x2? 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 3 whole square. Now D equals, what is 4 minus 2 is 2, then square, then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Bigger number sign is minus, therefore it becomes minus 2 whole square. D equals 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square we get 4, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 is 4. Now D equals root 8. Now we should simplify root 8. I'll write root 8 as 4 into 2. Now square root of 4 is 2. The remaining term is root 2. Therefore D equals 2 root 2 units. The distance between the points is 2 root 2 units. Students, now moving to third question. minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3, I'll take it as x1 y1 x2 y2. Now the distance formula d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D equals square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Be careful when there are negative numbers. Now what is x2? x2 is minus 1. Now in the formula we have minus, right, as it is. Now x1 is minus 5 whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 3. What is y1? It is 7. 3 minus 7 whole square. Now d equals, now simplify this term, minus into minus plus minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 as it is, that is minus 4 whole square. 3 minus 7 is minus 4, bigger number sign is minus. Therefore 5 minus 1 or minus 1 plus 5 will give you 4 square plus minus 4 whole square. Now we get d as 4 square we get 16 minus 4 square will get 16. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Now 16 plus 16 is 32. Therefore d equals square root of 32. I will write as 16 into 2. Now square root of 16 is 4. Remaining term is root 2 as it is. Therefore d equals 4 root 2 units. The distance between this point is 4 root 2 units. Now we'll find out the distance between these 2 points. I'll take it as x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 is a, y1 is b, x2 is minus a, y2 is minus b. Now distance between these 2 points is given by the formula, that is distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. What is x2? That is minus a. What is x1? A minus a. Now what is y2? y2 is minus b. Now minus b whole square. Now d equals square root of minus a we get minus 2a whole square. In the same way minus b we get minus 2b whole square. D equals minus 2 square we get 4 and a square. In the same way minus 2b whole square we get 4b square. If you look at this, the common what we have is 4. The common term is 4. Take that 4 outside. The remaining terms are a square plus b square. Now what is the square root of 4? Now square root of 4 is 2. What is the remaining term? Root of a square plus b square. This is the distance between these 2 points. That is d equals 2 root of a square plus b square units. Students, now it's your turn to solve this problem, that is finding distance between these 2 points. Try out yourself. That is, the distance between 2 points is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you are finding distance between these 2 points, you should use this formula, that is called as distance formula. Using this formula, find out these problems. Dear students, thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you again. Until the next video, stay tuned.